In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create a text box at the bottom of your frame for page numbers. This technique is particularly useful when you're working with multi-page documents and you want to ensure a polished and organized look across all pages. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by creating a text box at the very bottom of your frame. Now, why at the bottom? Positioning the page number here is traditional and keeps it out of the way of your main content, while still being visible enough for easy navigation. To do this, select the text tool and click at the bottom of your frame. Enter a placeholder number, like 1, for your first page. If you're planning to print or share the document digitally, make sure the font size is small yet legible, perhaps somewhere between 8 to 12 points, ensuring it complements your document design without overpowering it. Next, we're diving into the power of auto layout features. This is where you can ensure that your page number stays consistent, no matter the changes you make to the document. Use the auto layout to position the numbers consistently across each page. Think of it like setting up a reliable template. This tool allows you to keep everything in line, especially useful if your document undergoes several revisions. You can access this feature typically in your design software's properties panel, setting parameters for spacing and alignment. Once your auto layout is set, it's time to duplicate the first frame. This step is crucial if your document has multiple pages. With each duplication, manually update the page number in the text box. This means clicking into the text box and changing the number one up from the last page number. Now, if manual updates sound a bit daunting, or if you're managing a particularly bulky document, you might consider using plugins. Many design tools offer plugins designed to automate numbering efficiently, freeing up more of your time and ensuring accuracy. Finally, let's talk about grouping. It's about solidifying all the work you've done so far. By grouping the page numbers with the main content of the frame, you ensure layout consistency throughout the document. This means selecting all elements on your page, including your newly added text box, and hitting the option to group them together. This step is fundamental in maintaining order as you edit or reorganize content. It acts as a safeguard, keeping the page numbers exactly where you want them, without any accidental movement as you make changes. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering page numbers in your document. It's all about efficiency and creating a seamless experience. By following these steps, your multi-page documents will not only look clean and professional, but they will also be much easier to navigate. So go ahead and implement these techniques and watch as your work transforms with polished precision.